Imagine waking up one day and the dollar, something we've used for generations, has lost its value. What if your savings, your cash, your paycheck are suddenly worthless? Sounds crazy, right? Or does it? Welcome to 2025, a world that's rethinking what money really is. From Bitcoin to digital dollars, the financial landscape is shifting fast. Today, we're diving deep into one question. Is the dollar dead? And if it is, what's replacing it? If this sounds like the start of a dystopian Netflix series, don't worry. There's more hope than you might think. Stay with me, because in this 5-minute journey, we'll uncover the trends, tech, and truths that will shape the future of money. And no, this isn't just about rich people stacking Bitcoin. It's about how your future paycheck, your savings, and your spending will look very, very different. 1. The decline of the dollar, fact or fiction. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the dollar. Is it really on its way out? Well, not quite. But it is under pressure. Inflation has been eating away at the value of the dollar, causing prices to soar. Other countries are starting to ditch the dollar in trade deals, weakening its global power. Central banks around the world are now stockpiling gold, and even crypto at record levels. So, basically, your dollar bill is working harder than you at this point, just trying to stay relevant. But don't panic just yet. The dollar isn't vanishing, it's evolving. And that brings us to our next point. 2. Enter Central Bank Digital Currencies, CBDCs, a new kind of dollar. What if the US dollar went digital, kind of like Bitcoin, but controlled by the government? CBDCs, Central Bank Digital Currencies, are government-issued digital dollars expected to hit the scene soon. They promise faster payments and more control over inflation. But some worry it could mean too much control, like tracking every dollar you spend. This isn't just some sci-fi idea. It's already happening in countries like China. Could the US be next? And if it is, will we lose financial privacy along the way? 3. Crypto, the future or just a bubble? While governments are busy building their own digital currencies, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are still going strong. Bitcoin is being called digital gold and a hedge against inflation. Ethereum and other altcoins are powering decentralized finance, or DeFi, an entirely new way of banking. But with volatility and scams still plaguing the space, many wonder, is crypto really ready for prime time? Ever tried explaining crypto to your grandma? Yeah, me too. Spoiler alert. It didn't go well. 4. Cashless society, freedom or control. Have you noticed how little cash you use these days? From Venmo to Apple Pay, it seems like cash is already on its way out. By 2025, we could see a cashless society, but that might not be as exciting as it sounds. The convenience is great, but what happens when every transaction can be tracked? Will going cashless make life easier? Or will it give governments and corporations too much power over our wallets? 5. What's in store for 2025 and beyond? So, what will money look like in 2025? We're likely to see a hybrid world, where digital dollars and cryptocurrencies coexist. New apps and platforms will allow you to hold both crypto and CBDCs in one wallet. Financial literacy will become a critical skill, especially for Gen Z and millennials navigating these new systems. Who knew that adulting would also involve becoming your own financial advisor? But here's the million-dollar question, literally. Will you be prepared to thrive in this new economy? The truth is, whether the dollar lives, dies, or goes digital, the future of money is already here. And it's not waiting for anyone to catch up. So what can you do today? Start educating yourself. Whether it's getting familiar with Bitcoin, learning how digital wallets work, or understanding how CBDCs could affect your future, you need to be prepared. Because 2025 will reward those who are ready, and leave the rest scrambling. And hey, if you want to unlock even more strategies to secure your financial future, check out my video on Unlock Your Wealth. 5 financial pitfalls to dodge in your 20s. The link is right on your screen. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Click here to learn how to avoid the financial mistakes that could derail your 20s. Your future self will thank you.